A very good afternoon, students. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Students, you also follow the instruction and safety rule to protect ourselves from COVID-19. And I hope you all are follow the safety rules. So, student, this is your GK period, and in your GK we discuss about your fifth chapter. Your fifth chapter is related to meal. This chapter is related to three main meal: breakfast, lunch and dinner. But first we learn about what is food. The meal is related to food. So first of all we learn about food. We need food to live and grow. It makes us healthy and strong. Food gives us energy to work and play. We get all our food from plants and animals. It helps us to grow. Healthy food protect us from disease. But one type of food does not give us all that is required by our body. We should eat different type of food to become healthy. We eat fruits, green vegetables, milk, vitamins and minerals. Vitamin and minerals protect us from many diseases. So we take fruits and vegetables in the morning and in the evening, breakfast or dinner. So these are very important to us because these meals protect us from many diseases. And one more thing, healthy food and junk food. Food that is good for our health is called healthy food, and food that is not good for our health is called junk food. Eating too much of junk food make you fat and lazy. So students, you have to take green vegetables, fruits, eggs, milk in your meal. Don't eat too much of junk food. They makes you fat and lazy and unhealthy also. They are not good for your health. So students, always keep in mind these things. You should avoid eating junk food. I hope you all are understand this thing. Now, one more thing which you keep in your mind, we should eat all the three main meal at the correct time. Each of our meal, be it breakfast, lunch or dinner, should contain a little bit of all kind of food group. So students, you should eat all the three main meal, which are breakfast, lunch or dinner main meal, at the correct time. Along with food, we take liquid like water, milk and fruit juice. Liquids help us to digest food and keep our skin healthy. We drink water when we are thirsty. Water acts as cleaner to our body. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. And milk is a good body building food. It is very good for growing children. It is useful for grown-ups child as you are. So student, you should drink at least 2 or 3 glasses of milk every day. It is good for your bones. It make your teeth strong. So you should add milk in your meal. Now the question is, what is meal? A meal is the food we eat. We usually eat meal with family or friends. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the three main meal. So breakfast, lunch and dinner are the three main meal. So students, in your GK book today we discuss about chapter 5, which is related to healthy eating. So this chapter is related to healthy eating. In this chapter you have given three main meal: breakfast, lunch and dinner pictures. So you just do this worksheet. In this worksheet you cross out the unhealthy food item in each meal. Also write your favorite dish for each meal. So just look at first picture. First picture is related to breakfast meal. In this picture you just cross the unhealthy food item. You just cross the unhealthy food item and write down the name of dish which is your favorite dish. So in breakfast, first you cross the unhealthy food, then you write down your favorite dish name in the breakfast column. Then lunch, same here. You just see the pictures of food here. In the lunch, which food is healthy for us, which is not healthy to us, you just cross that food and write down the name of your favorite food in the lunch also. Then last but not least, dinner. In the dinner you have given some pictures which we are take in the dinner meal. So you just cross unhealthy food in this picture and write down the name of your favorite one food here. So I hope you all are understand with this exercise. So just do it and send it to me. Goodbye. Have a nice day.